I got a dishwasher.
Check it.
Hey.
Bro, Kate, what are you doing? Kate, what are you doing?
What?
Oh my gosh.
Pull the thing back there.
What are you doing? Alright, we're gonna drag you. We're gonna drag you, bro. No way. No way. No way. Fits in there.
No way.
Leave the top.
I'm not doing this one.
He fits in there though.
He's been taken by some sunglasses, asking about a scar, and
I know I gave it to you months ago. I know he's trying to forget. Yeah, you can go.
I've seen this in the daytime. Oh, we got too much slack.
Yeah, you're right, you're right. It's probably every stick out here.
Thing's built well.
Ah, there he goes.
You think of that thing?
Probably not, but.
Bro, we gotta drop it.
What are you thinking?
Oh no, Kate's driving. I don't trust him to drive.
There's.
You look like a professional, like.
You do. You look like a professional cameraman, dude.
I'm like, flip the camera around. Look at you. Look.
Dude, Seth is like in the zone, dude.
In it, dude.
Yeah,
Like,
I am.
my name's Seth. I got an MBA in film from the Juilliard Academy of Arts.
All right, what we got here, Pickford?
So we got a nice big mortar and everything. So when I drop it in there, you just shut it,
Okay.
push it down, and then we just run.
Okay.
So which direction? Because
Any direction.
Any direction?
should I be set up somewhere
Yeah.
already? Where should I
Get
go?
set up.
matches aren't working.
Oh, please tell me you got that on video.
I got it on video.
Trash now, so we should probably take
I
this.
put it in the goon squad, baby.
Oh my gosh.
Baby.
Dude. Oh, she's toast. The door's like completely fine.
Yeah, the door's pretty good. I mean, like, yeah, there's
Here, flip it
nothing
over.
really off with it.
Other than
Just
the-
from dragging it.
Yeah, it just looks like a normal, nicely dragged door.
Nice, perfectly good. You know,
It's a nicely dragged
dishwasher
door.
door,
Yeah, yeah.
usual stuff. Yeah. Like,
That's crazy.
that was loud, bro.
That was crazy loud.
Did you imagine we put that in the pond? That would have been awesome.
That would have been so sick. And just like Mr. Beast, we cleaned up all of our stuff. So none of it was left in the nature. Thanks, guys.
It works, baby. Trust me.
It'll buff out.